Hi, I'm Steph Evans, and here's another course bite from our Intro to Non-Linear FEA with MSC Apex online course. Multi-step analysis can be key in Non-Linear FEA, where the sequential load history is important in capturing the detailed model response. In non-linear analysis, a single load case may be made up of a series of discrete steps for a given load history. An example of this could be applying fastener preload before the main structural load. Additionally, multiple load cases can be considered, whereby the model response for each step can be reused before different structural loads are applied. During post-processing, each step can be reviewed to ensure the correct load application. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.